Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech blog. If you use Mozilla's Firefox browser, you've probably noticed how some of the websites ask for your permission to track your location, even if they have no need for that info. I don't know about you, but I don't like any third-party entity having my location info unless they truly have a legitimate reason for needing it. And truth be told, very few websites need to know where I'm located. If you feel the same way, you can easily stop websites from asking to track your location by making one quick tweak in the Firefox settings. With Firefox open on your screen, click the three horizontal lines icon in the top right corner of the Firefox window. Now scroll down and click Settings. In the left-hand pane, click Privacy and Security. Now in the right-hand pane, scroll down to the Permissions section and click the Settings button on the Location line. And finally, check the box beside Block New Requests asking to access your location. And finish up by clicking Save Changes. That's all there is to it. From now on, your Firefox browser should block all websites from asking to track your location. If you found this tip useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.